Word Chapter 2, Mid-Level 2, Dentist. Basically, this is the second chapter of Word section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can either contact me through WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID given in the description of this video. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, programming assignments, writing assignments, computer sciences as well. So, title of the assignment is Exp19, Word Chapter 2, Mid-Level 2, Dentist. At start of the instruction, you can see this project description. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignments because main part of the assignment are these steps. But I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can understand the assignment well. But main part of the assignment is starting from step 1 and we are supposed to solve those steps to get this assignment done. So I will move to step number 1 of the assignment. Start Word, download and open the file named Exp19, Word Chapter 2, Mid-Level 2, Dentist. The editor has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Ensure that the non-printing characters are displayed. So we are supposed to download this Word file and we will apply all the instructions to this Word file to get this assignment done. So you can download this Word file from your My IT Lab dashboard or Pearson dashboard. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Word file. That is where we will move to second step, that is step number 2. So step number 2 is change the capitalization of the recipient Miss Nancy Lancaster and her address to capitalize each word and change the capitalization of the state abbreviation to uppercase. Also capitalize her first name in the solution. Change the name Dr. Lockwood on the last line of the letter to Mia Grant and type mggrant3087@mymail.net on a new line below Mia Grant. Do not press enter after typing the email address. So first, change the capitalization of the recipient. This one. So you will select this and you will go to this and you will capitalize each word. So that is required. You can say that and her address to capitalize each word. So we are supposed to capitalize the address as well. Capitalize each word. This one. So we are done with this one. We have capitalized each word of the name and then the address. So next thing to do is also capitalize her first name in the solution. So address is also this one and we are supposed to make this capitalize each word. And now we will go to the solution, this one, and we are supposed to make the first word capital, this one, Nancy. So I have made the first word and the first letter N capital for the name Nancy in the solution. That is all required in this one. Now it is saying that change the name Dr. Lockwood on the last line of the letter to Mia Grant. So we will go to the end of the document and you can see this one and we are supposed to replace this with the word Mia Grant. So we will change this and we will type me a grant for this one. So next thing to do is type mggrant 3087@mymail.net on a new line below me a grant. So we are supposed to type mail address. After this we will press enter, and now we are supposed to type mail mggrant 3087@mymail.net. So we are supposed to type this one, and I have typed this one, and that is all required in step number 2. So we are done with step number 2 of the assignment. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is saying that change the alignment of the body paragraph beginning with on behalf and ending with seeing you on September 11 to justify. So first we will select the required text that is starting from on behalf and ending on September 11. So let me select this on behalf and ending with September 11, this one. We are supposed to select this body paragraph, and now we are supposed to make this body paragraph as justified. So we will go to the paragraph setting and we will make it justified. You can see that text is justified now, or you can simply select it from here, that is for the justified. So I have made the selected text to the justified, and that is all required in step number 3. So we are done with step number 2 and 3, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is apply a right arrow bullet to the paragraph mark under the first body paragraph. Apply a right arrow bullet to the paragraph mark under the first body paragraph. Type the following items, pressing enter after each of the first 3 lines. Do not press enter after the last item in the list. So let me go to the bullet first. So this is the paragraph below the first body paragraph, and now we are supposed to apply a right arrow bullet. So first go to the bullet and apply a right arrow bullet, this one, and now we will start typing this. Finding hidden toothbrushes in the dental office. Finding hidden toothbrushes in the dental office. So after this we will press enter and we will start the second bullet. Second bullet is participating in the dental crossword puzzle challenge. Participating in the crossword in the dental crossword puzzle challenge. In the dental crossword puzzle challenge. Now press enter again. Now we will write the third one, that is writing a convincing letter to the tooth fairy. Writing a convincing letter to tooth fairy, and press enter again. Now we will write the third one, that is digging through the dental treasure chest. Digging through the treasure dental chest. And now we are not supposed to press enter after the last item in this list. So that is all required in step number 4, where we were supposed to add these 4 bullets to the document, and I have added these 4 bullets to the document. So now we are done with 4 steps, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. So next step to do is step number 5, and step number 5 is change the paragraph spacing of the text from the salutation "Dear Nancy" through the last paragraph that "and seeing you on the September 11 to 12 point spacing after. Remove the paragraph mark just after the "Dear Nancy" paragraph." So we are supposed to change the paragraph spacing for the text, and for this we will first select the text that is starting from the "Dear Nancy" and ending at September 11. So let me select this text starting from "Dear Nancy" and ending at September 11. So I have selected the text, and now I am supposed to remove the paragraph spacing. So I will go to the paragraph setting, and what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to make the after paragraph spacing to 12 points. So I will make the after paragraph spacing to 12 points and click OK. So we are done with this one, and now we are supposed to remove this blank paragraph after the salutation, that is "Dear Nancy." So remove this one. So that is all required in step number 5, and we are done with step number 5 now. And now I will move to next step, that is step number 6. Change the font of Dr. Lockwood Pediatric Dentistry Office in the first body paragraph to small cap. So we will select this Dr. Lockwood Pediatric Dentistry Office in the first paragraph, and then we are supposed to make this as small cap. So let me select this in the first paragraph. So this is the first body paragraph, and we are supposed to select this Dr. Lockwood Pediatric Dentistry Office, and we are supposed to make this as small caps, this one. And we can do this by going to the font size, font setting, and from the font setting we can check this small cap. So let me do this one. I have selected the text, go to the font setting and make it small cap, and you can see that this has been changed to the small cap Dr. Lockwood Pediatric Dentistry Office. So that is all required in step number 6 of the assignment, and we have completed 6 steps so far. And now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 7. So I am doing this assignment step by step, and I am also explaining it so that you can do this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this for you, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can either contact me through WhatsApp or email, and I will do this assignment for you. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 7 of this assignment, because we have completed 6 steps so far. So step number 7 is select the lines of the text beginning with the date and ending with the Richmond VA 23005. Increase the left and right indent to 1.25 and change paragraph spacing to 0 point spacing after. Do not deselect the text. So now we are supposed to select the lines of the text beginning with the date and ending with the Richmond. So let me select this text. Date is starting from here and ending it here. So we are supposed to select this text, and now increase the left and right indent to 1.25. So we will go to the paragraph setting and we will increase the left and right indent to 1.25. So I will simply type 1.25 and 1.25. Now next thing to do is, it is saying that change the paragraph spacing to 0 point spacing after. So we will make the after spacing to 0 for this paragraph. So click OK. So that is all about step number 7. And do not deselect the text. And we are not supposed to deselect this text. So this step is complete. And now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 8. So step number 8 is, do the same selection, apply a box border, selecting a double line with a line width of 3/4 points. So now we are supposed to apply a box border to this one. So we are supposed to apply a box border to this selection. So I have done this, as I have shown you 7 complete steps of this assignment. So let me show you this step number 8, then I will give you an overview for the final version of this assignment. So apply a box border, selecting a double line with a line width of 3/4 points. So I have already selected this text. So now we will go to the border and shading, and we will select the double line border because we are supposed to apply a double line border. So select this one and select box from here, and width should be 3/4 point. So click OK, and you can see a box border has been applied to the selected text. So I have shown you 8 complete steps. Now for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me either through WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID, and I will do this assignment for you. Let me show you the final version for this assignment. So this will be the final version for this assignment. When you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and you can also hire me for your courses throughout your degree. I have shown you 8 complete steps in this video. These are the steps that I have solved in this video, and for these remaining steps I am just showing you the final version of this assignment. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment. If your assignment is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another